I was looking at a bunch of different master's programs. The Masters of Applied Politics applied to me particularly because of the practical element. It was that technical skill part that was really important to me.
That sort of hands-on approach gear you towards the workforce in a way that I don't think a typical MA in political science would.
It was a different type of classroom environment that I've ever experienced, working directly with an organization to produce something that has real-world impacts.
We were able to come up with recommendations through our research for different housing options for refugees.
They really get to see their research applied, and they get the sense that the research is really meaningful. It will go into use and affect change.
There are a lot of intangible things that you're picking up through that experience, and I think students really appreciate that as they go on, and in fact have responded back saying that that sort of experience has been useful.
The fact that it was a small program, that really helped create a sense of community on campus.
I like the way that the faculty and my new colleagues work together to challenge each other, but foster a cooperative learning environment.
None of the other universities that I was considering had an informal get-together where you can meet some of the faculty members is what really sold me. As soon as I came out of that meeting, I knew that I wasn't even going to consider any of the other offers that I got.